Though we offer a wide range of services, the core of our business at Standard Water Control is basement waterproofing. What you see here is a basement in Shakopee, Minnesota. Dave and Barbara, the homeowners, had water in their basement and gave us a call. One of our trained sales representatives went to their home and, after assessing their problem, recommended we install interior drain tile. Our crew came in, jackhammered the floor, and laid in our solid PVC drain tile, along with our service-marked Superior Sump System. Washed rock was laid into the trench to act as a drainage field and filter, and our patented diamond drainage board was laid over top to allow us to pour the floor back to its original thickness. We also installed our service-marked Seamless Discharge system that's guaranteed to never crack or leak, and as always, run a second discharge pipe in case the homeowners want to install a battery backup system in the future. When asked if they were satisfied with the work we'd done, they gave us 5s across the board for quality, responsiveness, punctuality, and professionalism, and went on to say that our crew was very friendly and respectful to their property. Dave also said that his brother highly recommended us. It's heartwarming to know that our work speaks for itself. At Standard Water Control, we take pride in our ability to deliver the results we promise on every job. That's why we warranty our drainage systems for the life of the foundation. If you have a wet basement, please give us a call. We can help.